Cover is the captain's chair on the Modular. From here I'll show a couple different variances as we do this. What I want to do is I'm supporting myself by putting my forearms on the pads and grabbing the handles. From here, once I get myself stabilized, I can do a couple different variations. I would say the easiest one to start with is just doing bent knee, alternating one at a time. Okay? If I can get this, my next step would be both legs, bent knees. Notice how I'm not swinging. Okay? I'm controlling my legs down, and I'm contracting my abs on the way up. Contract. Okay? My next level would be a straight leg. A little more difficult. And I would start by doing one at a time. And you can even go across your body a little bit, work a different part of your abs. Now the most advanced one, this is very difficult, is I want to do this without swinging, is I want to do 2 legs at a time. Notice how I'm not swinging the weight up, my legs. I want to come up, control down. Up, control down. The opposite part of this is a dip, a little bit different than the chin dip assist on a Modular. You have no assist. So on this one, you are lifting your body weight on the exercise. From here, simply cross your legs behind, and I'm going to dip down just above 90 or around 90. Dip, contract. Dip, contract. When I'm done, put my feet on,